Today we're going to be making oatmeal raisin cookies. In a large bowl, you want to add your softened butter, and then you want to cream this together until it's smooth. To that, you're going to add in your white sugar and brown sugar. You can use light or dark brown sugar, it's up to you.
Know it's gonna be okay. Always knew someday I would be with you, someday I would fall for you again. I could see you in the way I should. Too many times to count. 이랬다 저랬다 그래도 언제나 결론은 내 곁에 와.
Next, you're going to add in your eggs one at a time, mixing in between.
'Cause sometimes life is fair. 사랑이라고 말하고 싶지만 that's just who we are. Crazy how we come. 의도치 않았던 속에 빠져.
Now you want to set aside your wet ingredients into a small bowl. Put in your flour, baking soda, and your cinnamon and nutmeg, as well as your salt, and give it a good whisk. Now you're going to add your dry mixture to your wet mixture and just slightly combine this because we still have to mix in our oats and raisins. And now you want to add in your raisins and your oats, and I just used a gloved hand to mix this all together. Be careful to not over mix your dough. Now at this point you can just set it in the fridge how it is, but I just had it to roll mine into cookie dough balls before putting it in the fridge. It's completely up to you how you want to do it, but once you have your dough formed however you have it, set it in the fridge for 2 hours or up to 2 days. I left mine in there for 2 days. Once you're ready to bake your cookies, you want to put them in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. And this is what the finished cookies should look like, slightly golden brown. When they first come out the oven, they might look a little undone. As your cookies cool, they will cook, so be careful to keep an eye on them. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys shortly with a new one.